there are four types of conditional sentences. First one, zero conditional. Second, first conditional. Third, second conditional. And fourth one, third conditional sentences. In this video, today we are going to learn about zero conditional and first conditional sentences. Let's learn about zero condition sentences. Zero condition sentences are also called the present condition. The zero conditional is used to make statements about the real world and often refers to general truth. In these sentences, the situation is real, and this sentence is used for habitual action or for generally accepted facts. Here, zero condition sentence structure is given. Conditional sentences consist of main clause and conditional clause. Conditional clause is also called if clause. We can see here if. With if, simple present tense is used. So it is called if clause or conditional clause. And the second sentence, simple present tense, this is called main clause. Example is given here. If you heat butter, it melts. So it is the scientific truth and generally accepted fact, we can say. So if you heat butter, it is called conditional clause or if clause, and it melts, it is main clause. In this kind of clauses, if almost means when or whenever. Means here instead of if, in zero condition sentences, instead of if, we can use when. When you heat butter, it melts. Now let's learn about the first condition sentence. The first conditional sentence is used when the result depends on the fulfillment of the condition in the if clause. Here the structure of the first condition sentence is given. In first condition sentence, with if, simple present tense is used, and in main clause, simple future tense is used. The example is given. First example, if I drop this cup, it will break. Second example, if you touch a live wire, you will get a shock. मतलब ये जो भी मेन क्लॉज में जो भी रिजल्ट है वो डिपेंडेड है किसके ऊपर? सो इफ क्लॉज के अकरिंग के ऊपर. Along with will, we can use other modal verbs in the first conditional. For example, first one, if we miss the train, we can go by bus. Can. Can is modal auxiliary verb. Second sentence, if you call him now, he might be in the meeting. So might is also modal auxiliary verb. So here in first conditional sentences, in the main clause, we can use modal auxiliaries. For example, will, shall, would, could, can, might, may, etc. Let's learn some rules and regulations. Both if and unless are used in conditional sentences. Unless means if not. If we don't hurry, we will be late for the show. Second sentence, unless we hurry, we will be late for the show. Both the sentences are same. Means the meaning of both the sentences are same. What we have done here, instead of if not, what we have used? Unless. So when we are using unless, at that time not we should remove. See, if we don't hurry, what we have written? Instead of if not, unless we have written. Now we hurry. So unless we hurry, we will be late for the show. Conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, the conditional clause can come before or after the main clause. For example, we can see here, you will feel cold. So this is the main clause. Main clause is used first. You will feel cold if you don't wear a coat. Second sentence, you will feel cold unless you wear a coat. Means the if clause and conditional clause is used in the second sentence. So this way conditional clause can come before or after the main clause. Let's discuss the exercise from textbook. If not and unless. The first sentence. Before that we will read the instruction. Complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of the verb. The first sentence is given, if I don't go to Anu's party tonight. So if I don't go, this is simple present tense. Then what will happen? So in the main clause we will write she will be angry or she will feel bad, we can write. Second sentence, if you don't telephone the hotel to order food, then what will happen? So we will have to write the result. The main clause we will have, we can write anything. I can say you will miss your evening meal, you will remain hungry. So what will be the answer? If you don't telephone the hotel to order food, you will miss your evening meal. Third one, unless you promise to write back, then the result we will have to write, I will not write to you, condition, unless you promise to write back. जब तक आप मुझे लेटर नहीं लिखोगे तब तक I will not write to you. So here we will have to write in the main clause, I will not write to you. Fourth sentence, if she doesn't play any games, if she doesn't play, simple present tense. So what will be the result? She will become dull and lazy. Here in the main clause we can write she will become dull and lazy. Fifth sentence, unless that little bird flies away quickly. So what will be the result? What will happen? The cat will jump on it, the cat will catch it. Okay, so this way all these sentences are if not and unless exercise. You will have to practice this.